Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. If your Snapchat map is not working on your device, don't worry about it. In this video, I will tell you how to fix this problem. So keep the video till the end and follow my step. First, when you are facing this problem, go to the Snapchat map section and click on the gear section and enable Snapchat location. After doing this step, check your problem. If it persists, then next solution is long press on the Snapchat app and click on the app info. Now go to the storage and cache. Now here clear cache and data. After doing this step, check the problem. If it persists, then next is go to the Play Store and search here Snapchat and check if any update is available. Then update is, if already updated, then uninstall the app and reinstall. After doing this step, your problem is fixed. I hope this video is good for you. If you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel and share it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.